Welcome back, one and all. Carrying on with our little stroll through Throughput Accounting. Looking at the trickiest questions according to the examiner. Section B, 2024 exam. TPAR. TP, throughput. AR, accounting ratio. You take your throughput, which if you remember is your sales less your cost of materials only per hour, and divide it by your factory cost, which is all your other costs per hour. Here's a question then. Work out the throughput accounting ratio for this. So, throughput per hour. Throughput is your sales less your materials. So that's 24.5. And they gave us it in minutes, so you didn't really have to do this. But anyway, we just grossed it up to an hour by dividing it by 20 and timesing it by 60. Then we've got to look at the factory cost per hour, which is all the other costs. So your labour, your variable overheads, your fixed overheads. Add all those up, which is 12. Gross it up by dividing it by 20 minutes times by the 60. So we've got the 73.5 divided by the 36. That gets us to 2.0417. The question says, yeah, what's that to 2 decimal places? 2.04. It's easy when you know how. Keep on watching for the next video in the series.